Ano lagi anak lagi? Pag-milk na pag-milk.
You're a Labrador. Why is my son with you? Mr. Bear, it's dangerous for little bear to play outside alone. Please be careful. Sorry, I was so busy today. I can keep an eye on him. Thank you for bringing him back. Please try these, my special burgers. They're really good.
Wow, such big burgers.
You could hurt yourself.
Okay na na.
Dili okay. Nikuan na si. Wala lagi puno. Pila ni tulog to nga.
Oh, hindi mo makatulog nga ra. Sa'yo mo daw? Ha? Sabaw. Kaning bangos?
Uli sa kajut balay dili tan ako aling mo basubas na yan. Ah, lakaw karong mo